Hello students, good evening to one and all. Today we are going to study one of the interesting chapter of your Vestas book, chapter number 2, The Tiger King. So before moving ahead in the chapter, let's see the point that is mentioned over here before you read. What is the general attitude of human being toward the wild animal? What is the general attitude, the general behavior of the human being toward the wild animal? As we are well knowing that since a very long time, the human being had been using the wild animals for their selfish needs, and this chapter will highlight that. And the second point that the chapter will highlight, that death is the final destiny of human life. It cannot be avoided at any cost. Does not matter that you are a beggar or you are a mighty king, but death is the final destiny for all the living species on the earth, and it cannot be avoided at any cost. Does not matter that you are a poor fellow or you are a richest one. So the chapter starts with a character, the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram. The Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram. Pratibandhapuram is a kingdom where one Maharaja is there. He is ruling over that kingdom, and he is the hero of this story. He may be identified as His Highness जमींदार जनरल किलेदार मेजर सताव्याग्रा समारोही महाराजा धीराज विश्वभुवन सम्राट सर जिलानी जंग जंग बहादुर. See a very long name, Sir Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur, and several other names. He was known with different other names, ACTCR, CRCK, but these all the names are finally shortened with the name Tiger King. He was popularly known as Tiger King. So in the chapter we will see that why Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur, the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram, was popularly known with his name as a Tiger King, and this chapter is also named the Tiger King. So it means that the title of the chapter is related with the life of the Maharaja, and he is the major character of the story. The whole story revolves around him. So see, I have come forward to tell you why he come to be known as Tiger King. I have no intention of pretending to advance only to end in a strategic withdrawal. Even the threat of the Stuka bomber will not throw me off track. The Stuka, if it likes, can beat the hasty retreat from my story. So the narrator, this is a humorous story, the mixture of humor and adventure. So this is such a story that the narrator is starting the story in such a way by saying that I am going to tell you that why the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram, Sir Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur, was popularly known as Tiger King, and I will directly go to the point, and to the point I will discuss all those things, and even if there will be the bombing, the bombers cannot throw me off the track. It means that he is going to tell it directly. He is going to start the story directly, and he will not take the readers off the track. The narrator is saying that I will not take you off the track. Directly we will talk point to point in the story. Right at the start, it is imperative to disclose a matter of the vital importance about the Tiger King. Everyone who reads of him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of his indomitable courage face to face, but there is no chance of its fulfillment. As the Bharata said to Rama about Dasharatha, that Tiger King has reached that final abode of all living creature. In other words, the Tiger King is dead. See, in a humorous way, the story is starting that where the narrator is saying that I will go directly toward the point to tell you why he was known as the Tiger King, and even you will be happy or you will be surprised to know about such a character who was having such a courage, and he was very brave man, but finally he met with his destiny that I had discussed in the very beginning of the chapter, that death is the final destiny of human life. Does not matter that if you are a mighty or powerful person on the earth, still one day you have to die. It means that nobody can avoid his death by his money, by his power, by his dictatorship, or by his ruling. Death is the only bitter truth that everyone has to face it. The manner of his death is the matter of extraordinary interest. So death is very common, that everybody who is born on this earth, one day they have to die. But how this person, how this Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram, he died, the manner of his death is the matter of extraordinary interest in the story. And see, when the Maharaja was born, he was born in the royal family. So all those privileges that a son of royal family should get, he was getting. When he was born, it was the matter of great happiness in all over the kingdom. When he was born, chief astrologer along with his team, they were called in the royal court. As you are knowing that when any son used to born in the royal family, they used to call the pandits, purohits, astrologers to predict the future of the child by going through his horoscope. Do you know horoscope? Janma Kundali. So those learned people, those astrologers, they were predicting the future of the child before the king. So the same happened there. The king called the prominent astrologers from all over the kingdom and from the neighboring kingdom. They arrived at the royal court to predict the future of the newly born baby. Who was that newly born baby? Sir Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur, Tiger King. When he was born, the astrologers were called to predict his future by reading his horoscope. And when they arrived at the royal court, they started predicting the future before the Maharaja, that your son, this son, Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur, when he will grow up, he will be the hero of heroes, he will be the champion of champions, he will be the king of kings. Means he will be one of the prominent person, one of the strongest person, one of the popular person, and he will be the hero of heroes, champion of champions. But they bit their lips and swallowed hard. When compelled to continue, the astrologer came out with this: this is a secret which should not be revealed at all, and yet we are forced to speak out. The child born under this star will one day have to meet his death. But while predicting the good thing about his future, suddenly they stopped. When they were reading the horoscope, the Janma Kundali of that child, they suddenly stopped, because they noticed one thing. And when they were forced to speak, they said that the child had born under a star bull, under such a star as when the future is predicted, the astrologers are saying that you are born under this nakshatra, under this circumstances, at this place, ye grah, wo grah, like this. They started predicting that the child is born under the star bull, and bull and tiger both are in me. The king will die by a tiger, he will be killed by a tiger. Firstly, they predicted that one day the king had to meet his death. So this was very common phenomena, that everybody who is born on this earth, one day they have to die. So when they firstly predicted that one day the king had to meet his death, at the very moment a great miracle took place. As soon as they predicted that the child one day he has to die, at the same time one miracle, chamatkar hua us samay, one miracle took place. Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur, who was only 10 days old, everyone stood transfixed in stupefaction, that they looked widely at each other and blinked. There was no ground for the doubt. It was the infant just 10 days ago who was born. It was the child Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur, who was 10 days old only, 10 days before he was born. But suddenly he started speaking. Suddenly he spoke that, O chief astrologer, O learned people, 10 days old baby is speaking. This was a miraculous thing that took place in the royal court. ये एक चमत्कार था जो वहां रॉयल कोर्ट में हुआ. 10 दिन का बच्चा, वो अभी 10 डेज पहले उसका बर्थ हुआ था, वो अचानक बोलने लगा. कब बोला वो? जब एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने कहा कि इनकी कुंडली में, इनके हॉरोस्कोप में ऐसा लिखा हुआ है कि एक दिन इनको मरना है. तो उस टाइम में वो 10 डेज ओल्ड बेबी बोल उठता है. एक मिराकल, चमत्कार था. लोग सरप्राइज हो गए, ट्रांसफिक्स्ड, ऐसे जैसे खड़े थे ऐसे खड़े रह गए, एकदम शॉक्ड हो गए कि हाउ ए 10 डेज ओल्ड बेबी इज स्पीकिंग, हाउ ही इज स्पीकिंग. सडनली दैट 10 डेज ओल्ड बेबी ही स्पोक that, O learned fellows, O learned people, O astrologers, you are predicting that one day I have to die, but what is new in this? इसमें नई बात क्या है? Everybody who is born on this earth, they have to die one day. Can you tell me the manner of my death? How I will die? आप मुझे ये बता सकते हैं कि कैसे मरूंगा मैं? मरना है तो सब लोग बता सकते हैं, तो कोई भी प्रेडिक्ट कर सकता है. So after that, the chief astrologer, he placed his finger on his nose in wonder. Baby barely 10 days old open his lips in speech. Not only that, also raises the intelligent question, incredible, rather like the bulletins issued by the war office than facts. So the chief of the astrologer, he was surprised that how a 10 days old baby was speaking fluently, and not speaking only, was giving the speech that was full of intelligence. उस बच्चे ने पूछा, उस 10 days old बेबी ने, जिलानी जंग बहादुर ने, कि ओ प्रॉफिट्स, ओ चीफ एस्ट्रोलॉजर, प्लीज टेल मी द मैनर ऑफ द डेथ. The chief astrologer, he calculated and he read his horoscope again and predicted that you are born under a star bull, and bull and tiger both are in me. So one day you will be killed by a tiger. He explained and he told the manner of his death. That after knowing this fact that one day he will die he will be killed by a tiger, Jilani Jang Bahadur, who was 10 days old only, he did not get feared, he did not get afraid. He said that then let the tigers be aware. When I will be killed by a tiger, तो टाइगर से कह दो कि अब वो अलर्ट रहें, अब वो सावधान रहें, because they are not going to kill me, I am going to kill them. He was such a brave boy. After that, he said that what if your prediction goes wrong? 10 days old बेबी ने कहा कि अगर आपका प्रेडिक्शन जो हमारे फ्यूचर के बारे में आपने किया, अगर वो गलत हो गया तो. द चीफ ऑफ द एस्ट्रोलॉजर, ही वाज कॉन्फिडेंट एनफ ओवर हिज प्रेडिक्शन. ही सेड दैट इफ इट विल गो रॉन्ग, आई विल कट माई टफ्ट. उन्होंने कहा कि मेरा सबसे बड़ा रेपुटेशन क्या है? मेरी चोटी. जो आपने देखा होगा, जो ब्राह्मण पीपल होते हैं, जो ऐसे एस्ट्रोलॉजर होते हैं, वो ऐसे पीछे एक चोटी रखते हैं. उन्होंने कहा कि आई टफ्ट जिसको बोलते हैं, उन्होंने कहा आई विल कट माई टफ्ट, मैं अपनी चोटी काट लूंगा. एंड आई विल सेट फायर माई ऑल एस्ट्रोलॉजी बुक, और मैं अपनी सारी एस्ट्रोलॉजी बुक को जला दूंगा. एंड आई विल बिकम एन इंश्योरेंस एजेंट, और मैं इंश्योरेंस एजेंट बन जाऊंगा, ये काम छोड़ दूंगा. जैसा कि आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, कभी कभी कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि कभी गुस्से में बोल भी देते हैं कि देखो पढ़ नहीं रहा है, ये पास नहीं हो पाएगा, ये पास हो जाएगा ना तो मैं अपना नाम बदल दूंगा. वो नाम नहीं बदलते हैं, वो पास हो जाता है, वो नाम नहीं बदलते हैं, वो अलग बात है, लेकिन ये एक डायलॉग है. तो ऐसे उन्होंने कहा कि अगर मेरा प्रेडिक्शन रॉन्ग हो गया तो मैं क्या करूंगा? आई विल सेट फायर माई एस्ट्रोलॉजी बुक, आई विल कट माई टफ्ट, एंड आई विल बिकम एन इंश्योरेंस एजेंट. एंड आफ्टर दैट द पीपल हैड फॉरगॉटन अबाउट इट, बट एज द सन स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग, he was getting all those privileges as the royal child was getting. So when he started growing, at that time, with the growing of his age, the prediction of that astrologer became the talk of the town. People started talking about it. It became the talk of the town, that as once the astrologer had predicted when he was born that he will be killed by a tiger. So he called the astrologer and asked the solution, that what is the solution to avoid my death. The astrologer told that if you would be able to kill 100 tigers, अगर उसने एस्ट्रोलॉजर को बुलाया और सॉल्यूशन पूछा, उसने कहा एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने, अगर आपने 100 टाइगर्स को मार दिया तो आप अपने अनटाइमली डेथ को क्या कर सकते हैं? अवॉइड कर सकते हैं, टाल सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो नाउ द किंग वॉज हैविंग वन टारगेट ऑफ किलिंग 100 tiger. He was growing as a royal baby, and after that he was getting all those comfort and luxury in his palace. Even it is mentioned with the name of comfort and luxury, it is mentioned in a funny way that he was taken care by an English nanny, and he was even drinking the milk of an English cow, and he was just reading those English books. See, it is mentioned here. The boy drank the milk of an English cow, was brought up by an English nanny, tutored in English by an Englishman, even his tutor was an Englishman, and saw nothing but English films. It means that complete British atmosphere was there in his royal palace, and he was he was getting the tuition by an Englishman, and he was brought up by an English nanny, and even he was drinking the milk of an English cow, and he was watching the English film. It means that his life was full of comfort and luxury, and he was enjoying that. But with the growing of the age, when he heard in his ears that people are talking about the prediction of the astrologer, that prediction that he had done when he was 10 days old only. So he called that astrologer and asked for the solution. So he had given one solution, that you have to kill 100 tiger to avoid your untimely death. आपको टारगेट दिया जाता है, आप 100 टाइगर्स को मार देंगे तो आप अपने अनटाइमली डेथ को अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी वी विल डिस्कस इन आवर पार्ट 2. ओके, थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी.